This lid. Okay. Put it somewhere safe, Foxy.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really
throwing
well.
it in the corner doesn't count.
Mum is here. We're in the playroom. Fox is creating havoc as usual around us. I fake tanned, which is why my mum looks so pale next to me for the first time ever. She looks pale and I am tanned. Look how tanned I am.
He's just going to create havoc.
In person I'm quite orange, so...
You are a little bit. No, not now, darling, because Mummy's busy.
Do you want to have a look in this box?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Put the books back then.
You're going to throw them.
Foxy, put the books back on the shelf.
Don't you throw them. Oh, you little butt boy. Come on, London boy. Climb up. We got Roccabox for you today.
Up here.
No!
Come on. I'm sorry. You're just going to climb up me, are you?
Yeah. I cancelled my Roccabox subscription just to save money.
Oh, there he is. He's arrived.
It was cancelled last month when my subscription ended, and then they still took money out and sent me another one. But they've refunded me. I think the refund's gone through. This is just a free box, which is why I'm so late on doing it, because I wasn't going to bother. But Mum's here, so we thought we would. And I'll do a giveaway with this one, like I don't normally do. So you can win this.
I'll be doing that one.
I'm not going to be... What on earth
You're a
is that?
dinosaur truck.
Oh, lovely, thanks.
A motorbike.
I don't want to be a motorbike or a dinosaur.
Maybe a motorbike.
All right.
He's being the motorbike, Granny Nana. This does not want to
Don't
open.
like that like me.
You got to drive that like him.
No, I haven't. Who says?
Ow.
Oh, don't hit, you little turd boy. No hitting, everybody. You'll be nice, you'll be nice. Everybody see your big butt face, Foxy, look. He is a feral child. So yeah, Roccabox. We will let Mum pick things out.
Okay.
I'm going to do a giveaway and then we can get someone can win it.
Okay.
So I can't be bothered to read out everything because...
Taking you on a journey of beauty discovery.
I know. So what we've got first, Mum?
First thing we have is
Paradox 3-in-1 conditioner. I've used one of these before and it's a really nice
It
conditioner.
does look very nice. It looks a bit like a tube of toothpaste.
£10.50.
No. Okay.
Yeah, it is a really nice conditioner though. I have used it.
Right.
Next.
Next
Don't matter.
is a lipstick. Colour switch.
Saturated. This is £9.
No.
If you ever wish you could ever go slightly tweak your favourite lippy, make it a shade or two lighter, then you'll love this innovative
lipstick.
product. It looks like a white lipstick, but it can be used as a base under your lippy or as a top layer to alter the shade. We're not using it for someone else.
Oh, sorry.
It sounds nice. So you apply this to your lips and then put your own lipstick on and then it makes a new colour. I think I'd probably just rather buy a new colour.
Yes. Don't do that to Granny's leg.
But that looks quite fun. So that's
don't do
something
that hurts.
fun for you to have.
Right, next is... What's this thing?
Oh, a Skimono.
Skimono.
Radiance
Recovery.
Eye mask.
Oh.
So that's nice. Again, I can't be bothered. That was £10.
Pardon? What, just for that little tiny... No.
That's £10.
They are having a laugh. Do I look like an idiot?
Debatable.
Oh, well. Next thing I've got is a Rosalie.
Oh, this is just a freebie.
Is that to make you stop being red?
An anti-redness miracle formula SPF.
Oh.
A teeny tiny little sachet.
Tiny might
But that is a freebie.
Okay, next thing we've got is a... I'm not sure what this is.
Able Prestige
Skincare.
Anti-aging duo moisturizer.
It's a
Are you
radical
ready?
Youth
Are you sitting down?
Yeah.
Are you?
This?
No, thank you. We're just going to turn that off because nobody wants that on there.
What is it?
How much?
What, this?
Yeah.
£4?
Add 100 to that.
No, this isn't a proper sample. This is just a sample.
That's full size.
It's not.
That's £104.
That is not even as big as one of my fingers.
That is £104.
Foxy, please stop.
That's £104.
Stop it.
Mr. Fox, you cheeky boy.
Right, the last thing, which is much bigger, is a Nip and Fab
Salicylic acid.
Salicylic facial scrub.
Yeah, Nip Fab's really lovely. I've worked with them before. They're really nice. That's £9.95.
And then there's about 3 tons of pink wormy
so that
things.
is the box. There's nothing in it that I can't post abroad, so it's an international giveaway. And they have to answer a question. So like, you have to, what do you want to know? And they comment something, so you can pick what you want. I normally say like, we're going on holidays or something, but we've done that one recently. So,
You're in there.
what's your favourite summer drink?
Pims.
There you go. There's
But
Mums.
if you have it with dried ginger instead of lemonade, it is so much nicer.
Tell me your favourite drink hack, like what Mum has just told you. So your summer favourite drink hack.
That's my favourite summer drink.
What is the date today? I will pick a winner at the end of June, so then I'll post this out early July. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to pick a winner on the 1st of July because I'm not home. We're on holiday. So yeah.
I have no idea.
All the information will be down below. I'll leave any links that I can link down below as well. But if you want to win it, tell us your favourite summer drink hack.
You have to be in it to win it.
Be in it to win it. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.
Bye.